Hello everybody, today I'm going to be installing some sequential turn signals into my 2017 TRD Sport Tacoma. I will be providing instructions as we go out through the video, and here we go. So the first step is to remove the outside cover of the mirror, which should come off fairly easily. All you have to do is pull it towards yourself. There is a series of snap clips. Once you get that off, it will show all of the internals, which in this case consist of 2 screws, which with the provided screwdriver from Mid-Atlantic Off-Road come out very easily. Once that's complete, we can move to the next step. Then, to remove the black plastic piece, which you don't actually have to fully remove, you just have to pull it forward enough to remove the original equipment. In this case, there is a provided yellow plastic leverage device that you can use to pull forward the black. You do not actually need to use that. In this case, I did not. It was fairly easy to pop that forward and to pull out the original equipment. There is also a plugin behind that will need to be unplugged, and that is actually going to be the plug that you use on the new replacement piece. Now there is 2 different ways that this can plug in. One way it will work, the other way it will not. I had to take multiple tests to make sure that I had plugged it in the correct way, which I did not at first. Once it was plugged in the other way, we turned the flashers on the vehicle and it started to pulse the way it should. Again, pull the black plastic piece forward and slide in the new equipment behind it. Make sure that everything is lined up exactly the way it should be. I had to use the yellow molding puller to make sure that everything was lined up across the bottom. On my particular truck, you may not need to. There is a black clip that goes into the new equipment. It's very important to check it again here to make sure that no wires came undone or that the connections were made correctly. That way, if you put your cover back on, it doesn't work. You don't have to tear it all apart again. Then go ahead and replace the screws. The hole should line up perfectly if everything is put back together correctly. In this case, it was. And the last piece is the replacement of the cover, and that will seal it all together. Make sure that everything is pushed all the way in. I noticed that there was some trouble on getting the bottom clips back into place. The top clips went in fairly easily. Once completely clipped in, we close the door and turn them on again. And just to see the difference between the new style and the OEM style, which is on the other side here, you can see it is a noticeable difference. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.